Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital ACT math type of a question from the topic of exponents. Before solving this question, I want to talk about the importance of the playlist section in our channel. I strongly suggest you to go on the playlist and look up for the topic you want to excel in, just your skills in digital ACT math section. For instance, we have playlists from various topics of SAT math, so you can, for instance, you can just practice exponents, more SAT similar questions from the topic of exponents in the playlist section when you look up for the exponents, or you can practice in functions. So I strongly suggest you to go on the playlist section and look up for the topic you want to excel in. We will have similar questions for you to practice. You can pause the video, try to solve it on your own, and check for your solutions afterwards. So that being said, let's solve this question together. Which of the following is equal to b to the power of 4 over 3 for all values of b? So this is b to the power of 4 over 3. Since 4 is in numerator, and I want you to remember this way, 4 will be on top, and it's in here in the top position, 3 is in the bottom, so numerator and denominator, and 4 will be staying on the top of b, and 3 goes into the root degree of the root, so this is how it works. So when you look at the choices, the choice A will be the answer for this question. But let me explain the other choices. So if you will rewrite this as a exponent, this is going to becomes b to the power of 6 over 2. Again, 6 on top, it goes in the numerator, and it's not written the degree of root, which is 2. And if you will simplify this is b cubed. 6 over 2 is 3. So b to the 4 over 5. So again, 4 is in the numerator, stays on top, and 5 goes into degree of the root. And this is, we did this one vice versa. This one, now we're just going to convert from exponent to, root to exponents. So b to the power of 3 over 4 is this one. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.